Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is gonna make some Pokemon cards again, and then this will be the last and final vlog here in my channel. Since I have some problem, okay, and then I have some problem, right, and then I need some time to find some okay. So okay, let's gonna start it up, and okay, let's go gonna start it up. Okay, so here it goes. Cars again. So we have some gonna make an announcement after the announcement after this pulling of cars. Okay, so this will gonna be an emotional. Okay, so let's go gonna start this up. Okay, right here, and then okay, and then let's go gonna open this up. Okay, so it's one, and we have some Samurai, Koopa, Full Art Ryulu Dance Bars. Okay, so right here, and yes, a Leaf can be star. I have that. Okay, and then this one right here, and then yes, here it goes. This is the holographic, right? This is the holographic one, and we've got some Mawile. Yes, we've got some Mawile over here. So the full art holographic Mawile. So here it goes. We are in the Silver Tempest. So I know this already. So this is the shiny holographic, right? Here, there you go. You got some Cinderace, Zamagenta, Sableye, Wobbuffet, Ice Cube, Cinderace, Double, and a Toxtricity. So there it goes, and okay, it goes, and then got some Morpeko, Delmice, Morpeko VMAX, Milotic, Toxtricity, Eldegoss, Ninetales, and a Rillaboom VMAX. Okay, and then we got Laonda 2. Okay, we got some Malamar VMAX, Inteleon, Voltant, Rillaboom, Sandaconda, Caparaja, and Ninetales, and an Inteleon. Oh, okay, nice one right there. So, and then another, yes, that one. So Ninetales with a different art. Nice. Okay, that was a nice one also. Okay, and then over here, and then oops, something's wrong with the card. Okay, so we got another Inteleon, Dragapult, Trainer Sonia, Cinderace VMAX, Portuguese, Malamar V, Morpeko V, and a Lapras V. So on to the last one. Okay, so on to the last one. So here it goes. We've got some Rillaboom, Inteleon VMAX, Caparaja, Zasayan, Turtle, Meowth, Stonjourner VMAX, and a Milotic. So that's for the last pulling Pokemon cards. So Biotech, Storm Junior VMAX, Meowth, Turtle, Zacian, Capiraja, Inteleon VMAX. We have Sir Villaboom, Lapras, Morpeko, Malamar, Portuguese, Cedars VMAX, Trainer Sonia, Dragapult, Inteleon, Capiraja VMAX, Sandaconda, Villaboom, Voltan, Inteleon, Malamar VMAX, Villaboom VMAX, Eldegos, Toxtricity, Milotech, Morpeko VMAX, Delmice, okay, Peko, Toxtricity, and the rest. Okay, that was the rest. And then we got some basic over here. We've got some basic Volcarona, Full Art Poochyena, Mewtwo V-Star, Entei, Full Art Miltank, Wailord, Wailmer, Full Art Comfy. Oh, Comfy is a psychic. I think I thought it was a, what is this called? I thought it was a grass type, so a psychic type. Okay, and a Leafeon V-Star, Full Art Drapion, Kyogre, Full Art Lunatone, Full Art Card Trainer, Gardenia's Vigor, Full Art Hisuian Zoroark V-Star, Full Art Swablu, Duraludon, Dunsparce, Full Art Riolo, Hoopa, Full Art Hisuian Samurott, Full Art Latias, Luxray, Full Art Bidoof, and an Electric. So, and then our pulls. Okay, we got some Ninetales over here. We've got some two Ninetales that is different from a different art. Okay, as you can see that art. Okay, nice art over here there, and illustration of this one is Saki Hoyoshiro, and then yes, Saki Hoyoshiro is the illustrator of this one, right? Saki Hoyoshiro, and then I think this one right here is our holographic full art over here. Okay, so this video, and I hope you like it. So thank you so much for watching, and see you again on my next video.